Setting up DVR series recording on YouTube TV makes sure you never miss a single episode of your favorite show. With unlimited cloud storage, YouTube TV automatically saves every new episode as soon as it airs. Here's how to set it up in seconds. Start by opening YouTube TV on your smart TV, phone, or computer. Go to the search bar at the top and type the name of the show you want to record. Select the show from the results to open its detail page. On the show's page, look for the Plus Add to Library button. Tap or click it. Once added, YouTube TV will automatically begin recording every new episode, including future seasons, specials, and reruns. To manage your recordings, open the Library tab. You'll find all your saved series under Shows, along with upcoming episodes and scheduled recordings. You can also remove a series anytime by selecting it and tapping Remove from Library. YouTube TV's DVR stores recordings for 9 months, and you can watch them anytime on any device. This feature works for TV series, sports teams, news programs, and recurring events. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.